Hello, this is Ryan with Synergy, and today I'm going to show you Synergy's backup solution. So first, what I have here is a backup diagram that I created. This shows how it's done from start to finish. Um, it's simplified to show three different companies. So three different companies, let's say three different examples. This company has got 10 computers. This company has maybe a server and some computers, and this one maybe has a server, some cloud data, and some computers. Doesn't matter what they have. How it works is they take all of the data from either computers, servers, or cloud data, and it takes it and it moves it to the server, and then the server moves it to their own container. So they have their own container that each is secured, and that's where the data goes to. So it can be Windows, Mac, Linux, cloud. It doesn't really matter what it is, but that's just how it works. And this essentially is going to be taking the data from those computer servers or cloud once a day. That's how I do it, once a day. And then it can also do a full backup, say once a week, and making sure that in case of disaster, you have that data. So let's go now and take a look at the cloud server and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the backup server looks like, and in many environments you'll see, say, 10 computers for a single tenant. But for this, I just have two under Synergy here as an example. So what I have here is a PC that I've set up and put an agent on for backups, and if we take a look at what it looks like, I have it right here, and you can see there's just some files here. I placed a file here with some text inside this text file here, and of course there's some icons here. And then if we look, we can see the agent right there. Okay, so the agent's running, and how does it work, right? So what I do is I set up a daily backup of the most important files or the entire computer daily. And then I do a full backup once a week. That's how I do it. So let's go ahead and run a test backup of the desktop files. Alright, so now I've gone ahead and set up a test backup. So I have this just to run once, and I'm going to have it run as soon as I press save here. So I'm going to press save, and it's going to take a second. It's going to load, and it's going to run that based off that agent. So right here, it's an idle, and it's going to start that backup, and we'll see just how that goes. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds now, so let's go ahead and take a look. So if we can go over here and just take a look at the report, and it succeeded 1 minute ago, basically, 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, so now let's go back over to the computer here. We can see these files here, of course. So what we're going to do to test this is we're going to remove some of these files, so we can just delete those. We can say delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Alright, so these are missing, and we're going to go back here and we're going to run a recovery. So we go here and we're going to do a restore backup data, and we can see here that we can just press restore here to restore the files. So we're going to do that. Alright, so now we've gone ahead and configured a restore here, so we can see that it's going to restore the data and just overwrite anything that's there. That's fine. Alright, so now it's initiating the restore, and let's go and take a look and see what is being populated here. So it shouldn't take very long to do this because it's not a lot of data, but I say 30 seconds to a minute and it'll all be back. Alright, so it's been a few minutes now, and as you can see, the files are back here. We can see that these files are back. We can also go in here and take a look, and we can see that this file that we deleted before is also back with the text in there. So yeah, that's Synergy's backup solution. That's a demonstration on how it works. We do this for many clients, and in the same way that we've done this, we can do this for servers, other types of workstations, and of course, cloud data. There's a biggest reason behind using this or having this is for in case of disasters, or if you just you lose an important file. It's kind of the main 2 points. It's not always that you got hacked. A lot of times it's just because you need those files and you're missing them, right? So yeah, if you have any thoughts or comments or questions for me, definitely leave them in the comments. I definitely want to grow as a channel, so I'd love to hear your feedback on this. And if you're interested to hear more, you can always email me or message me. Thanks for watching.